Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'm going to show you the Singapore 1976 second bird series $5 banknotes. Now before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this Singapore second bird series, notes this is issued between 1976 to 1984. And for these $5 notes, the size is 133 mm times 66 mm. And the printer for these notes is Bradbury Wilkinson, which is what this PWNCO stand for. Now there should only be one signature for these banknotes belong to, which is Hon Sui Sen, which I hope I pronounced it correctly. And there should be only prefix A/1 to A/82 exists. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Please take note that the price here is in ringgit, not in Singapore dollar, in case anyone of you who are watching is Singaporean. Alright, let's take a look at the notes. So I so happen I have 3 pieces here, but I'm going to just take out one of these to show you. So this is how the front of the notes look like. So for these notes, the bird they use for this design is red whiskey bobo. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Let's take a closer look. Because this is the signature of Hon Sui Sen, the Minister for Finance. Oh. I'm going to turn it around. Because here is the printer name, Bradbury Wilkinson, and here make sure it have this all this small little detail. Let's take a closer look. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. Alright, one of the easiest way to check whether the notes is real or fake is to check the watermark. And there's this is how the watermark look like. It's I believe it's a lion head. So if you don't have a UV light with you to go and quickly check, just put it under a light to check for this watermark. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video again. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.